Hi guys, Kalila here, or Kelly, and welcome to another video. Today, I am working on my ribbing for my sweater. It's called the Frost Helm sweater. I don't know if I told you guys that, but yeah, it's called the Frost Helm sweater. And I finished the body. I started the ribbing. I tried to do the ribbing on the body itself. Horrendous. It was the worst thing I ever did in my life. And I've done that method before, but for some reason it just was not working with this garment. So I decided to, well, I tried front post, back post, double crochet. After I did slip stitch, I'm like, okay, let me try front post, back post. I'm like, I don't like it. I tried single crochet, didn't like it. So I scoured the internet, found a method of doing it separately and then attaching it a certain way. That's not a new method. The method that I found on how to attach it is new to me. Haven't seen it before ever. I haven't seen other people do it. So it's not very common, it seems, but that's the method I decided to go with. So now I can actually have my slip stitch ribbing so I can match the collar. I really wanted everything to match. I was like, please, I need this to match. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. Hopefully I can finish this today, crochet it onto the body, and then start the sleeves. I need to start and write out a decrease rate, which would help with the made to measureness of it, so that people, if they want to decrease at a certain rate, they can. If they want, you know, just different rates that people can do, make it very customizable. Yes. So that's it for now. Let's get into this. I mattress stitched this onto here, but I don't like how it's bubbling up. I did a single crochet row before adding the ribbing, but I think I might take that away. And also, since I did a single crochet on top of this ribbing, it makes this little bump, but on the other side it looks good. So I might flip it and sew it on this side and then get rid of that single crochet row. But also, I don't know. Oh gosh, time to frog again. I started and finished my sleeve last night. Boom, bam. Bam, boom. Very nice. I didn't think it was very nice last night. I was gonna frog it. And then I tried it on this morning and I was like, oh, I think I actually like it. So yes. Hello. You cried at me. Penny. He's so sleepy. Anyway, do not try on your stuff at night if you're trying to like gauge whether you like it or not, because you probably won't like it. Then in the morning when you're not sleepy and you actually have, you know, a brain to function, you'll be like, oh, this is nice. I thought I decreased it too much, even though I did like a gradual taper. As you can see, it's just very gradual with the decreasing. And I did not like it. I thought it was, I'm like, maybe it's too tight. Mind you, this is what it's like. But I didn't make this as oversized as I usually like my sweaters to be. Because firstly, I feel like it's going to block out to be what I want. And then secondly, I didn't want it to be super oversized. I'm like, let me start making some that aren't like, that don't have 50 centimeters or 20 inches of positive ease, okay? So I stuck with, I think this one has 6 inches and I want it to grow to 8 inches of positive ease. So anyway, I think once I give it a good like washing firstly and then block it, then I'll really fall in love with it even more. Because I think because the body isn't the length that I want, I'm like, I didn't like the way the sleeve was falling, but also I don't have a second sleeve on. Why am I making determinations about the sleeve based on this one not even being done. But whatever. Determinations? Is that even a word for it? Whatever. Who cares? Just pretend I put a word there that actually makes sense if that one doesn't make sense. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to start on this sleeve. It's currently 1:07 p.m. Oof. I thought it was earlier, but that doesn't matter. 1:07 p.m. I think this sleeve is going to take me like 3 hours to do because this one went very quickly last night, and I'm excited for this one. And then I'll be done with this. Then I can go and block it and see how things turn out. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get back into crocheting and using these beautiful hooks. Ugh, I'm obsessed with them. They're the TL Yarn Crafts X Hobie collaboration. So, you know, if you want some really good hooks, not sponsored, just go get them, you know what I'm saying? Gotta support. Also, I am on, let's see, how many balls have I used of yarn so far? Hold on. I've used 20 balls of this yarn so far. I've gotten to my wound up skeins that I frogged from my last project that I was using this yarn for. So I've used 20 balls and it's 82 meters. So I've used 1,640 meters so far. Let me do that in yards. I've used 1,800 yards so far. So I am on my 21st ball and I'm very excited because this is I'm going to have enough, and it's exciting to know that I'm going to have enough yarn. So yeah, that's it for now. Goodbye.
Yeah, since there's no food.
Yeah.
Okay. She said you're ready. I'm like, for what?
Wow, Kayla didn't even know.
We like talked about it, but I nothing in space. Okay, let me go.
I have finished both sleeves. Oh, hello.
You finished.
I finished both sleeves. I now need to do the ribbing, which that shouldn't take long. Yay.
Damn, we look alike right now.
But yeah, finished the sleeves. I didn't even check to see if they were the same length. Honestly, don't care. Oh, look at that. They're the same length. Okay.
When you block it on there.
Exactly. Oh, wait. Oops, this looks a little long. Hold on. Boom. Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go. Same length. Perfect, perfect. So now I have the first 24 karat lip. Please let me know if you guys understand that. So I have 2 full skeins left. Remember, I wound this up from frogging a previous project. So these are 2 full skeins. And then I have this little bit left. So 2 full skeins and almost done with this 3rd skein. Which means, so I have 26 skeins total. Which means this is the 24th ball that I am using. And let's just say all 24, right? 24 times 82. I've used 1,968 meters, which is times 90, 2,160 yards. Yeah, crochet takes up a lot of yarn, okay? And that's for something that's a size, well, actually, I have to block it first. But currently, I think the circumference is, I did 5 centimeters less. I think it's around 100 centimeters bust or 105. And that's giving me ease. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 5, 10, 15. Yeah, it's 110 centimeters right now. Yeah, so anything bigger than that, you're gonna be using a lot of yarn. Anyway, I'm going to start the ribbing. Let's do that. Okay, guys, I finished 1 cuff ignore all the ends, okay? Experimentation. I finished one cuff for the sleeve, and now I'm working on the next one. And also, I'm on my second to last ball, but this isn't gonna use a lot, like all of this yarn. So, I'm very excited that I have all this yarn left. And I'm just glad that I was able to do a little calculating to make sure that I have, oh, I'm just glad that I made sure that I had enough to, oh, hold on. Okay, my camera was doing weird things. I'm just glad that I made sure I had enough yarn. Basically, wow. Yeah, my camera was being weird, but I'm glad I don't have to adjust a super bright light at the moment. Yeah, so now I'm just going to continue. I took a break, went chill with my siblings, ate some food. Now it's time to finish today, okay? Today I'm finishing this. I'm going to block it, and it's gonna be great. Second cuff finished, so now I'm gonna start sewing, no, crocheting this on. Let's do that. Done. All right, guys, it's finished. It is done. It is done. So officially I used 24.5 balls, skeins of yarn, and I have the 26.5 of the 25th left here, which is so great, which means I used, let's see, 24.5 times 82. That means I used around 2009 meters, or 2,200 yards for this sweater, which that's not surprising. I actually expected to use over 2,000 yards. And so it's exactly what I thought it would be, which is so great. I'm very, very excited to block it because I know there are a lot of things that I want fit-wise, shape-wise, for how I want it to fit. And let's see, I was gonna end this video off, but I think I'll give y'all an after blocking, okay? I am moving next week. This coming week, basically. So I have to block this like now. I'm moving in 5 days. Okay, so I can't really see myself right now. So here is the sweater. Wow, it looks like, is this even right? No, it don't matter. It looks like a, what do you call it? A school sweater. Like you wear the jumper and then you have like a collared thing underneath it, over it. Okay, so here's the sweater. See how I decreased the sleeves? I'm not really a fan of the sleeves. I'm definitely gonna make sure this comes out like this. I want the body to drop lower, maybe. Because it's like this right now. I maybe want it to drop like that. The sleeves are fine. It can maybe open up a little bit more. Or it just needs to, it's just a little stiff. So it just needs relaxation, you know. Here's the back, and my camera's dying. So I'll come to you after blocking. Here's before. Boom, boom. Okay. little short form video with my sister. Why is this so? There we go.
Hello.
Hello, because she is moving.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to do
3 days.
3 days, bro. So we want to do a little Q&A that I'm gonna film. We're gonna film in like 3 days or something.
In 3 days. I leave in 3 days.
Sorry. In 2 days on Wednesday.
Yes.
Yes, film
The day
on
before I
Wednesday.
leave?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I have that in my? Actually, I might have it for us to film tomorrow, but I think it's Wednesday. Finish vlog. Oh my god, I think it's tomorrow. Film video with sisters. That's tomorrow, actually. But I should put it to Wednesday, right? So I can get like people have time to ask questions, or we could just do it tomorrow. You don't mind Wednesday?
No.
Okay, we can do it Wednesday. Because I think I already told Malika Wednesday too. So, wow, look at me not. I thought a cat was walking. Look at me not paying attention to my stuff, my calendar.
Hey guys, it's done blocking.
Yeah!
Here it is. The sleeves definitely went long, but I love my sleeves like this anyway, and I expected it to go that long. So, okay, there's a basket right here that's blocking me from scooting back, but here it is. Ding, ding. Here's the back. Ding, ding. Oh, the drape is
Stunning.
insane. Look at this. Look at how much drape that has. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So good. It goes over my butt like I wanted. Boom, bam. Done. Ready to just go out and look cute. Right?
Alright.
Exactly. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be writing up this pattern and having it tested, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to see all the different versions. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new design that I'm working on.
Oh, it's so good. Did they see?
Oh,
She didn't show you guys?
I
That's
started a different
crazy.
video.
Oh. Never mind.
Ah, sneak peek.
Watch the next video.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Bye.